Welcome to Top Product Picks. The Best Egg Toys is probably one of the most versatile and engaging types of toys available for children today, offering a delightful blend of surprise, sensory exploration, and imaginative play that can captivate young minds for hours on end. These charming little surprises, often hidden within a colorful shell, provide an exciting unboxing experience that builds anticipation and rewards curiosity with a miniature figure or accessory, making each discovery a moment of pure joy and wonder for kids. The sheer variety ensures there's an egg toy to spark every child's interest, from cute animals and fantasy creatures to tiny vehicles and collectible characters, fostering a sense of ownership and encouraging creative storytelling as they build their own unique worlds. Number 5. XXtoys Giant Dinosaur Egg Dig Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure with this giant dinosaur egg dig kit. Inside, you'll discover 12 unique dinosaur toys waiting to be unearthed. This kit includes everything you need for the excavation: a large egg, 12 dinosaur figures, chisels, hammers, and brushes. It's a complete paleontological experience. Simply soak the egg, then use the tools to excavate your dinosaurs. It's a hands-on activity that takes about 40 minutes and helps develop patience and attention. Discover dinosaurs like the mighty T-Rex and learn about them with 12 included color learning cards. It's a fantastic way to make learning fun and engaging. Ideal for kids aged 5 to 7 who love dinosaurs, this kit makes a wonderful birthday or holiday gift. It's a great educational STEM toy for home or classroom. Take the fun anywhere. Perfect for family picnics, birthday parties, camping trips, or library events, it provides thrilling discovery experiences for everyone. What we like? If you're looking for an exciting unboxing experience with a prehistoric twist, this is the one. It offers a substantial dig and reveals multiple dinosaur surprises, making it perfect for young paleontologists. If you want a gift that combines hands-on activity with a sense of discovery, consider this. What people say. The eggs are a good size for little hands to hold and manipulate. The different colors and textures on the eggs are engaging for babies. The eggs are durable and have held up well to rough play. Number 4. JUNBESTN Easter Matching Eggs. Looking for the ideal gift for your little one? These matching eggs make a wonderful present for birthdays or any occasion, perfect for toddlers aged 2 to 3 years old. Crafted from safe, durable materials, these eggs are designed for tiny fingers. Their smooth shape and easy-to-connect design encourage independent play and exploration. This set of 12 charming eggs is a fun way to help preschoolers learn essential skills. They can practice counting, sorting, and matching in an engaging way. These interactive toys are more than just fun, they help develop crucial skills. Watch as your child improves their hand dexterity, color recognition, and fine motor abilities. These reusable surprise eggs offer hours of entertainment without the mess. They are a fantastic alternative to traditional Easter basket fillers, providing lasting enjoyment. What we like? If you have toddlers aged 2 to 3 and want a toy that helps them develop basic life skills, this is an excellent choice. These eggs are perfectly sized for little hands to grasp and connect, promoting independent play and learning. If you're seeking a fun, mess-free Easter basket stuffer or a gift that aids in counting and sorting, look no further. What people say. These are great for my 1-year-old and are awesome for developing her grip strength, coordination, and fine motor. Also great as they grow to work on color shape recognition, pretend play, and matching. Each egg is color and shape specific, and there are multiples of the same color with different shapes. The child has to match not only the color, but the shape. They also have to line the shape up with the corresponding hole correctly. This is great for memory, for manual make dexterity, and for learning colors and shapes. The carton and the eggs both are made very well and durable. The material is easy to wipe and clean. Number 3. SallyFashion Wooden Faux Eggs. Step away from screens and embrace open-ended play. These wooden eggs offer a grounding, tactile experience with a perfect weight and smooth finish. They are ideal for practicing grasping skills, teaching object permanence, or serving as durable play food. The finely sanded surface is perfect for your imagination. Whether painting, staining, or wood burning, these offer a premium feel. Create personalized heirlooms that capture your artistic journey. Achieve that cozy, high-end look with natural materials. Their matte texture and rustic wood grain make them instant art pieces. Scatter them in a basket or jar for a relaxed, rustic vibe. These are more than just decor, they are functional tools for your backyard flock. Crafted to a realistic scale, they mimic the warmth and heft of real eggs, guiding pullets where to lay. Their solid hardness also helps break egg-eating habits. Forget about fragile eggs that rot or blow away. These solid wood eggs bring a pro-level experience to Easter games. Their substantial weight ensures they stay put, and their durability makes them unbeatable for egg rolling races. What we like? If you appreciate natural materials and a touch of rustic charm, these wooden eggs are ideal. They offer a tactile sensory experience for children and can be a beautiful decorative element for your home. If you're looking for a versatile item that can be used for crafting, play food, or even to guide backyard chickens, this set is a great pick. What people say. The color, size, weight, and shape of these are just like a real hen egg. These wooden eggs are a fantastic addition to my craft supplies. They are well made, smooth, and free from splinters, making them safe for kids and easy to paint, decorate, or use in various DIY projects. They look so real. I kept mistaking them for my real eggs. Number 2. Dino matching egg toys for toddlers. Discover our engaging 20-piece dinosaur egg toy set, featuring 10 colorful dinosaurs and 10 vibrant numbered egg houses. Each dinosaur is designed to ignite your child's imagination and curiosity. Watch as your little one enhances their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Placing the dinosaurs in and out of the stackable egg houses provides hours of playful exploration and dexterity development. This toy is inspired by Montessori principles to promote essential early learning milestones. It helps children with number recognition, counting, stacking, color matching, and sorting skills through interactive play. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic ABS plastic, these toys are safe for little hands with smooth edges. They are also drop-resistant and built to last, ensuring long-lasting fun. Looking for the ideal educational toy for toddlers aged 1 to 3? This set is perfect for Easter, birthdays, holidays, and any occasion, bringing joy and learning to boys and girls alike. What we like? If you're searching for an educational toy for toddlers aged 1 to 3 that combines dinosaurs with learning, this set is perfect. The numbered egg houses and dinosaur finger puppets encourage number recognition, counting, and stacking. If you want a safe, durable, and engaging toy that supports fine motor skills and early learning milestones, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Pretty sturdy guys and no holes for water to get in. Made very durability and colorful. They are really durable, don't have any holes so they can go in water without worrying about getting moldy, and the little case they come in is such a helpful part of this toy to keep them all in one place. They are really realistic too. Number 1. Battat Education Matching Egg Toys. Introducing the Battat Education Matching Egg Toys, a fun and engaging way for your little one to learn and grow. This set is designed for toddlers 18 months and older. This comprehensive 39-piece set includes matching eggs, expression cards, a mirror card, and a toy bus. It's everything you need for interactive learning and creative play. With these colorful eggs, children can match, learn, reflect, and express themselves. It's a playful introduction to early learning concepts. These toys are excellent for developing fine motor skills. They also help children learn about emotions and feelings through engaging activities. A fun playbook is included, featuring an illustrated story and educational play ideas. It guides you and your child through exciting learning adventures. This matching egg set is specifically recommended for toddlers aged 18 months and up. It provides age-appropriate challenges and entertainment. What we like? If you are looking for a comprehensive learning set for toddlers 18 months and up, this 39-piece matching egg toy is a great choice. It goes beyond simple matching to include expression cards and a mirror, helping children learn about emotions and feelings. If you want a toy that fosters fine motor skills, color and letter recognition, and emotional development, this engaging set is highly recommended. What people say. The eggs are a good size for little hands to hold and manipulate. Each egg contains a different shape inside, which helps with shape recognition. The colors are bright and appealing to young children. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.